Today we are going to discuss the how to write abstract and keyword in the research paper. Before writing the research paper, we need to know which question we need to answer in the abstract section. Here mention the following question, which includes the what the research is about. Mean you need to mention about the background or introduction of the research uh, in first sentence of the section. In next sentence, you may write uh, what question the research is answering or what gap in previous research the present research fill. It clearly stated that you need to present the problem that exists in the existing knowledge or background or introduction. And after that, in third point, discuss that why the research was done. Here mention that you need to mention the purpose and aim of the research. Uh, uh, After the next sentence, you need to add it, which include the research methodology, how the research was done. You may write the research proposed based on XYZ features, and in this research, you have using different evaluation parameters. You have to mention these evaluation parameters names like precision, recall. For example, I have to use uh, uh, and you need to compare your algorithm with existing algorithm. The You have to mention existing algorithm names, and after that you have to mention uh, you need to answer the question number 5, what the research found, mean what the results are. You need to show that your results with one or two sentence. One sentence is much better. um, you need to mention that how your result is better than the existing algorithms. And at the end, the last sentence of all abstracts which we need to mention is the outcome of the research. Here the question is that what tell why the result are significant and what implication are maybe. Okay, how the results are significant mean you need to mention your outcome of the research. There are two different phases. Sometime if we see that the any conference paper or journal paper, if we see particularly to the conference paper, uh, they demanding sometime only the abstract, and meanwhile normal routine they demand the complete paper. So if they want abstract, single abstract, then you have a lot of way to find out to write the abstract, because you have easy to go. Uh, if you are going to write complete paper, you need to mention all these question answer in your body section of the paper. Like first question is that reflect your section number introduction. Similarly, second question also a part of introduction section, and third question or fourth question is the methodology, where you mention the research methodology in your research paper. In the fifth question, you see that the reflection of the result with the result and discussion section. At the end, you have to write conclude your research paper. This is what the you have to write complete conference paper. If you are going to write abstract, it's only abstract to your for the submission to any conference. uh, Very easy way you have to find, because here uh, the conference editor or conference team have no concern with your methodology, all other implementation or results discussion, everything. Here you need to share the ideas with the audience. What the ideas you may find the ideas from. You have to look out different survey paper, review paper. If you see the review or survey paper, you find that they have critically evaluate the any topic. So you may find from the gap analysis, what is the gap in the previous research in survey or review papers. After that, these researchers have recommended how we overcome this gap. which mean that they give you a direction, how to do, how to implement and do, uh, to solve this problem. Okay, so it's mean you find the direction of methodology, and you may add in the abstract section um, what the methodology they suggested. Similarly, if you see that survey or review paper, if they critically evaluate complete portion of area of the research of on any particular topic, you may see that he must have to discuss the evaluation parameters. You may include these evaluation parameters and existing technique as a compare technique in the abstract section. You may write 2 3 sentence by using that in, and answer the 4 5 question of this research abstract. At the end, you expect that with your system you have to improve XYZ. Okay, it's depend on your topic. That's why I will not answer now. So next, this is what I advise you if you going to write only abstract for conference, or if you going to write for complete paper for conference or journal. Here is the example for any abstract. He may write for full paper, but the question we have seen previously in previous slide, we have to see that answer of all these question with this abstract. Okay, let's start. Here you can see that this color meaning of this color combination change is that we have to answer one by one all the question that highlighted in the previous slide. Initially, they write that the uh, introduction or background regarding his research paper. After that, uh, with this sentence, you may see that, however, not much attention has been paid to the use of network error feedback instead of network output feedback. This is what actually the um, problem statement. And next sentence, you we have to see that methodology. Aim of the research is that to propose a novel method, and they mention the title of the paper or methodology: rich polynomial neural network with error feedback that incorporate high order term recurrence and error feedback. After that, they have the blue color show that the methodology of the section, and similarly with the methodology they have mentioned that the result section as well. You may change the color if you have not answer in accuracy, because here you just share your idea. It's not compulsory you have to mention the values in the abstracts. Is not compulsory. Okay, after that, at the end of the section, you may see that the outcome, they mention that the outcome of the research. Here are the keywords. Make sure that these keywords should belong to the abstracts. And sometime we have do the mistake that we will mention these keywords from the body of the paper, but make sure that all these keywords belong to your abstract. Thank you for the today lecture. I believe that all of you have to learn a new thing with today lecture. Thank you so much.